What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. I hope you guys are doing good and everything is going smooth. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Eric, also known as Diablo. So today I got a good one for you. As we found out a couple days ago, paddle shifting is the best way to go on the freeway instead of sport mode, at least to me. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go and test this thing out and make sure we're ready on paddles and the freeway, since we do live here in Cali and typically that's the only place we can kind of push it from time to time is on the freeway. So we might as well be ready for that. So stay tuned. Let's see where this car rips, where it rips well, and hopefully it can give you guys some tips on your guys' Mustang 6R80 or any other one with the automatic and paddle shifts. Maybe it helps you guys out too, man. So enjoy it, man. Just go a little slower this time. Alright, here we go. Go on your head. All right, man, I'm back home, man, and I took it out there, and sure enough, man, the tips I got worked, man, on this thing. Just real quick, a quick rundown with the NA Mustang S550 6R80 GT. What I felt the best, if you're gonna do a 60 roll, I would pop that thing into paddles, third gear, get around 4,000 RPMs, and just romp that thing and keep on going straight on this thing and shift when I'm shifting right around 7,200 right now, but that's because I have it tuned. But you shift whenever you think you need to shift to the next gear. It picks up really quick. And from a 40 roll, I would recommend popping into second gear and shooting it again from 4,000 RPMs. Now, that's always just a little gray area, right? Tell me what you think. If you guys are out there with the 6R80 GT, tell me what you think. And even those 10R80 guys, tell me what you guys are doing out there to launch this thing on the freeway off roads. I want to get out there and get the nitrous in there. That's going to be a difference, right? Because my RPMs are going to freaking fire. So I'm going to have to be really crisp with those shifts or leave it on the sport mode. So I don't know yet, but stay tuned and I will try to get those videos ASAP. Nitrous rips, roll runs is the next thing on this thing, man. So thank you for watching.